How to use Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank ADIB Exceed Visa Covered Card Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. The ADIB Exceed Visa Covered Card offers premium benefits and rewards, but beginners often make costly mistakes when using it. Here's how to get the most from this card. The first mistake is not understanding eligibility and limits. Most people get this wrong by applying without knowing income requirements or spending limits. Checking eligibility upfront saves wasted applications. Second mistake, ignoring rewards and benefits. You won't believe how many users miss cashback, travel insurance and airport lounge access. Knowing these perks ensures you maximize value every month. Third mistake, carrying balances. The surprising truth is that interest charges can accumulate if payments aren't managed. Always pay on time and in full when possible to avoid fees. Fourth mistake, underusing digital tools. ADIB offers mobile apps, notifications and e-statements. Beginners often ignore these features, missing spending insights, alerts, and easier management. Finally, not tracking foreign transactions is common. The card has competitive international rates, but monitoring exchange fees ensures cost efficiency while traveling or shopping online. Using the ADIB Exceed Visa Covered Card properly means confirming eligibility, leveraging rewards, paying on time, using digital tools, and tracking foreign transactions. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you enjoy the full benefits of a premium card without unnecessary costs.